Hadin baka sarkar India lengbaga Ministry of Home Affairs kalabtha ya barok ki jelang kari India baki deban penlong ya ka wa mock drill lani ka jing ajing hikai ban pelat im na ka jing wan jong ka Thma haga hanyo trik ujambang arajar arpusan u Joint Director ka Civil Defence but Joint Commandant General ka Home Guards u MK Sangma ula pentip baka jelang kat sa penlong ya ka mock drill Hasin Anthony School pada ka wepat ka school Tura nadu ka porsa baje janmit Nalor ka new Joint Director ula pentip ru baka ni kajing ajing hikai ka kintup ya kajing Pynsawa Siren mat kajing penlip boarding electric lani ka blackout kan sedang nadu ka por Hendrish teng janmit hakilai teli ki jaka kata Shillong Jowai bat Tura habakaran cikilat pathai khubor Joint Director ula kerpat ikipat ba bakinya trailang ha kani kajing ajing hikai penlat im bat kimde bandon kajing seir mensim na kajing sawa ka Siren mat kajing penlip ya ka boarding electric.
After that, we have to do certain planning for a mock drill, and it took little time for us actually to do planning. Unless and until we have a plan, we will not be able to tell the public also. That's why we took time, and so today we will be conducting the mock drill. We'll start from 4 o'clock, and then 6:30 we'll have a sounding of siren, and then we'll have the blackout exercise also, and it'll be very difficult for us to tell each and every individuals to switch off their lights in a very short time and then participate in the blackout exercise. That's why we have decided in a meeting with the principal secretary that we will request the MECL to cooperate with us, and they have when you request they also cooperate with us, and then they are ready to initially we plan to black out the entire state, but then they also have some technical problems. That's why they requested what if we just do the blackout shutdown only in Shillong, Jowai and Tura. So is there technical problem, so we can't interfere. So we have this agreed, and then the sounding of siren will be there in all the districts where it is installed. We have got 12 districts, but then we cannot install it in all the districts because some are not categorized yet. Only out of 12, 7 are categorized, 5 are not categorized yet. So we have tried to install actually sirens in the 7 districts, but 5 districts we have not installed yet. But I think some technical problem is there. But wherever it is functional, wherever it is working, we will do our best to sound the siren. Shillong, of course, will do it. Tura and all will do it. Jowai also. Then we will sound the siren actually in 2 ways. Number one is the warning siren. There's a fluctuation, sound for 2 minutes. It will be sounded. Then followed by blackout for 2 minutes. And when the blackout is over, we'll sound the siren again. That is one stretch sound for 1 minute. That means it's a all clear sound. That means you are safe to come out. Warning means air raid is coming. That means you have to hide yourself, cover yourself. If you have a bunker, go to the bunker. If you are inside the house, like safe house, you're supposed to go inside and do drop, and then cover your ears and stuff like that. And then once you have the all clear siren, you're supposed to come out. So that all clear siren will also demolish the whole exercise, the mock drill exercise. That means that we will conclude the mock drill exercise as well. 4 o'clock we are doing exercise. Actually we have a sequence of mock drills. Initially we are connected with the Air Force through hotline. Air Force will intercept the air raid threat, and then they will inform the Regional Civil Defence Control Center here in Shillong. And then once the Regional Civil Defence Control Center get the information from Air Force, they will inform via hotline or radio communications, whatever communications available they have. And then once they receive the information from the Air Force, they will sound the siren. But it is at 4 o'clock, so we will not sound the siren because we want to do it simultaneously with the blackout. Because blackout at 4:30 will not make any sense. So it's just for the exercise only. So we will be doing it in the evening, sounding of siren, and then the blackout. Because 4:30 it's still very bright. These are the basic things that we'll be doing, and then apart from all this, like they'll be responding as well. SDRF will be responding in the border areas also. They'll be responding in some simulation incident in Dauki Bridge, and then in Daulu in the border areas, 2 border areas. Then they will do it in Lamukra also, and they will do it in Tura also, in schools. One in Anthony School and the other one in Upper Chamari High Secondary School, evening school. Because by after 4, there won't be any day school. So we have selected the evening schools in Anthony's and in Upper Chamari High Secondary School. Apart from SDRF, fire service is also involved. Fire service will respond in all the districts. Deputy Controller of Civil Defence or the Civil Defence officers, whoever is in charge there, will liaise with the fire service, and they will simulate a fire incident in the districts. So fire service will respond in all the districts.
Pej bahagi kishap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habat thiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.